Okay, so I want to teach us how to cut the bow tie. So this fabric, I'm using a jean fabric. So I'm cutting it 7 inches by 9 inches. So that means when it's unfold, we're going to be having 4.5 inches by 7. So that means it's only this part that's going to be in 4. So next thing I'm going to do now is, okay, so this is a small band. This is 2 inches by, let's say, about 7 inches. You see that? So I ironed my stay on it. I was supposed to show you before I ironed it. So see that on half of the jean. So the next thing I'm going to be doing now is that I'm going to be sewing it round like this, and I'm going to be leaving a small space. So let me show you the point I'm going to be sewing it. On this point, I'll sew it up to this point. I don't know if my marker is showing. Then I'll sew it again from this point. Then I'll just leave a small space that will be easy for me to turn it out. You see that? I'll leave up to this part. So I'm going to sew it now. I'll show you. Okay, so you see that I've sewn it up to this point. So I'm going to turn it out like this. Okay, so for this one now, just do the same way we make our rope. I'm going to be folding it like this. You see that? And I'll turn it this way, and I'll stitch it on it. Let me show you again. Like this. See that? Fold it from both ends equally. Then I will now do it like this. So my stitch is going to be here, close to this edge. So I'm going to show you that. So you see this one I've turned out. I'm going to stitch it together and sew it on it at this point. So I'm going to do that now, and I'll show you. You see that I've stitched it on this point. You see that? Try to use the same thread with the fabric so it doesn't show. But if you're using a softer fabric than mine, you may just open it in just small, so that when you want to fold it like this, it's not going to be obvious. Look at this one now. See the way I stitch it close to the edge. So the next thing now is just the way we do our pleating. See what I'm going to do. I'll just somehow pleat it like this, bring it together, and I'll make sure I get my midpoint, and I'll put the band that I sewed on it like this. Then I'll just use my needle and thread to tack it. This fabric is thick. Normally it's your sewing machine you should stitch it with, but I'm going to be using my needle and thread to tack it. The normal way our tacking should be done. Tack it like that. Okay, so I'm done tacking it with the needle and thread. So I'll just cut this one off. You can just be creative about yours. Cut it off. See? I'll push it to the back. And here's my bow tie. So I want you to try yours. Be creative about it. Let me see how it's going to be. Yeah.